Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. I am Anita Saraswat from Sri Vasisht Vidyalaya. Today we will discuss about the revision of chapter 3 in this video. Okay, so let's start. First we will talk about the addition. Okay, I know you are very familiar with the addition and you are expert also. So just we will do it again for revision. In third standard you have studied up to 4-digit addition and subtraction. In fourth standard you have to study up to 6-digit numbers addition and subtraction. So rule is the same. First you have to arrange the number in vertical form, then you have to start from one place and as on. One example is there. First number is 1,49,837 plus 2,96,847 and third is 5,40,398. So first we will arrange these number according to their places. I have arranged these, you can see. So let's start from ones place. There is 7 plus 7 plus 8, there will be 22 and 2 will be carried to next place. Okay, what carries number is coming, you have to shift it to the next place. So 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 4 9, 9 9 18, 1 again carry to 100 place, 8 plus 8 16 and 1 17 plus 3 20, 2 will be carried to 1000 place and 2 plus 9 11 plus 6 17, 1 again carry to 10,000 place and 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 9 14 and 4 18, again 1 is carried to lakh place and in lakh place whenever you will add the answer will be 9,87,082. In this way we will do the addition of 4-digit, 5-digit and 6-digit number. Now next we have to solve the word problem related to addition and subtraction. In both the word problem you have to follow some steps because sometimes you very much worried about the word problem and when the questions of word problem comes you think that is very hard and some children never attempt the questions. So that is not very hard, only you have to be careful little bit. Okay, so if you will follow some steps easily you will solve the word problem. What is the first step? Just see, read the problem carefully. First you have to read the question carefully properly. Second is underline the facts you will need to solve the problems. If you are thinking in the questions what are the numerical things and what are the facts you need to solve the question, first you underline them. Next, third is draw the picture if needed to help you solve the problem. Sometimes you can draw the picture related to the word problem, otherwise you can imagine in your mind that and you can relate the question to your daily routine also to find out the solution. It will be very helpful for you. Fourth is write the number sentence for the problem because you know in word problem we have to write the statement and numbers also. So you will write the numbers with this statement. And fifth is solve the problem, show your work, means definitely you have to solve the all process in the word problem and in the last you have to check the answer. In this way we will solve the word problem. I have given one example here of addition. Just see, question is, in an election candidate A got 67,250 votes from one village and 96,050 votes from another village. Okay, the question is find the total number of votes candidate A got. Okay, so here you can see there are two numbers in the question. One is 67,250 vote which he get from first village and 96,050 that he get from another village. You have to find total number. So I know for total number you have to add both the numbers. Solution is, first you will write the statement. So statement you will write from vote from one village. Okay, vote from one village. Just see again, this is 67,250, then vote from another village 96,050. Now total number of vote, naturally you will plus here. Whenever you will plus you will get the answer 0 plus 0 0, 5 5 10, 1 carry will be shifted to 100 place. There is 1 plus 2 3, 6 plus 7 13, again 1 carry to the 10,000 place, there will be 16. So answer you have to write, candidate A got 1,63,300 votes. In this way all type of word problem you can do. First you have to read the question very carefully, then point out the numerical things which you will need it to solve the problem, and after all you will solve. Next is the property. We have discussed the property of addition in the textbook. Okay, in your syllabus you have to read 3 properties of addition. Okay, first is property is order property. Order property, as you can see by the name, order means if you are changing the order of the number, so there will be no effect in the answer. Just see, there is 45 plus 20 is equal to 65, and whenever you will add 20 plus 45, whenever you are shifting the place of one number to another, the answer will be same. So 45 plus 20 is equal to 20 plus 45. So that is the order property. Next property 2, additive property of 0. Additive property of 0, whenever you are adding 0 to any number, the answer will be same. If you are adding 0 plus 17, the answer will be 17. Second, if you are adding 17 plus 0, the answer will be 17. Okay. Property 3 is grouping or associative property. In grouping or associative property, there are 3 numbers given, and again like the order property, if you are making the group of any 2 number, and in any situation the answer will be same. Just see here, there is 10 plus 25 plus 30 is equal to 65. Again if you are making the group of 10 plus 25, 10 and 25 together, then answer will be same, and in the last if you are making the group of 30 and 10, the answer will be same, but the 3 numbers should be same. Okay, and if you are changing the group, there will be no effect on their answer. That is the 3 property you have to read in 4th standard. Next is the subtraction. In subtraction we have already discussed, we are having 3 main part of the subtraction. Okay, first part is the number from which you are subtracting the other number, that is called minute. Second number is the subtrahend, the number which you are subtracting from minute, and the third is difference, means the answer of the subtraction is called difference. Here you can see the definition of the term. Subtrahend, it is the number where to subtract. Minute, it is the number to be subtracted. Minus sign, you know very well, that is the minus sign. And the difference, it is called the answer of the subtraction. Here there are rules of subtraction. It is also same as rule of addition. First line up numbers by place value, then subtract first one and regroup if necessary. Regroup if necessary means if you have borrowed any number, then you have to minus it from the place from where you have borrowed. Okay, and you have to add the borrowed number for which place you have borrowed. Okay, then subtract the tens, 100 borrowed from the next number and regroup if necessary, and then perform the addition to check. In the last, if you want to check your answer, you can add the subtrahend and difference. If you are getting the minute, it means your answer is correct. Now there is one example I have taken, that is 9,42,678 minus 3,14,387. Again we have to arrange them place value wise, then write first minute number which is bigger number, and then the smaller number, that is called the subtrahend. Minus it, there is 8 minus 7, 1. Here 7 minus 8 means 7 is less than 8, so we will borrow 1 from 100 place. There will be 17 minus 8, 9. So if 1 we have given 100 place is given to tens place, so 1 will be minus from 100 place, so 5 is remaining here. 5 minus 3, 2. here in thousand place 2 minus 4, 2 is less than 4, so we cannot subtract, so we will borrow this thousand place, borrow from the 10,000 place, it will give 10, there will be 12, 12 minus 4 is equal to 8, and 3 is remaining on the place of 10,000, so 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, and the last on lakh place 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. In this way we will do the subtraction. Very common mistake you do, children. Whenever you are borrowing, you are not subtracting one from the number, that's why you do the mistake. So you have to be careful about in this situation. Now next I have taken one example of word problem of subtraction. Just see the question. A company has 2 lakh customer all over the world. If it has 1,05,999 customer in India only, how many customers are there from other countries? Okay, just think about the question, read the question properly. There are 2 lakh total customers, and from this 2 lakh 1,05,990 customers of from India. So how many customers are of other countries? So how we will find this? Naturally we will minus it. We will minus this 1,05,999 from 2 lakh. So statement we will write total customer 2 lakh, customers of India 1,05,999. So you have to find the customer of other countries. So minus it, 2 lakh minus this number, and 2 lakh you know very well. On the ones place there is 0 minus 9, we cannot subtract here, so we will borrow there. All places are having 0, that's why we will take directly 1 from the lakh place, and again 1 we will give to 10,000 place, 10,000 to 100,000 place, 1,000 to 100 place, 100 to 10s place, and 10s to 1s place. In this process we will write here 10, 9, 9, 9, 9, and 1 is given to next place, so 1 is remaining on lakh place. So subtract here 10 minus 9 1, 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 4 5 4, 9 minus 9 9 minus 0 9, and there is 1 1 minus 1 0. So there are 94,001 customer from other country. In the same way as we have done addition, we have to do the word problem of subtraction. Now in the last is there is estimating sum and difference. Okay, so children, one thing you have to be very careful here. Just see here, to estimate a sum or difference, first round off each of the number to its nearest 10, 100 or 1000 as per the number of digit in the number, and then add and subtract. Means here just see there are 2 digit numbers, so you will round off up to 10s place. Here are 3 digit numbers, so we will round off up to 100 place. Here are again 3 digit numbers, so we will round off up to 100 place. And fourth question is 4 digit number, so we will round off up to 1000 place. Okay, so that things you have to keep in your mind. So you know very well how to round off the numbers. There is 58, so it will be rounded to 10 place 60. 72, it will be rounded up 10s place, it will be 70. Okay, whenever we will plus and minus, plus 60 plus 70, 130 will come. The rounding of the number you have discussed in last video. Okay, in revision video also. Here there is 875 minus 309. Again estimate the number up to 100 place first. There will be 900. 309 will be estimated to 100 place. So 300. So 900 minus 300 is equal to 600. Okay. In third also we will first estimate it up to the 100 place, and then we will add. And in fourth question again we will estimate up to 1000 place, then we will add. In this way our third chapter is completed. Completed means we have to do addition, subtraction, we have to study the property of addition and estimating of sums and difference. Okay, so thank you so much children. I hope you have revised very well and understood the concept. Thank you so much.